Hello everybody, let's solve one very interesting question. So here the question has been given that the px is fifth degree polynomial such that px plus 1 is divisible by x minus 1 whole cube and px minus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, then we have to find the definite integral. First of all, I am telling you detailed analysis of the sum, then I will tell you how to solve the sum in the shortest possible way. Okay, first of all, the function is a polynomial function. Polynomial function means the function is totally continuous. Okay, now so it has been given that px plus 1 is divisible by x minus 1 whole cube, x minus 1 ka whole cube. Okay, so we can say, therefore we can say p of minus x plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1 whole cube. Just I am explaining. For example, fx is a function that is x minus 2 into x minus 3. So so it is divisible by 2. So f of minus x, it means x ka jagah pe minus x. So minus x minus 2 minus x minus 3. So obviously we can say this is divisible by x plus 2. Okay, this is divisible by x minus 2, then this is divisible by x plus 2, because if I take minus common, x plus 2 is coming. So in this way we can say this. Once again we can say, suppose this is the number 1, and once again we can say that px minus 1, according to the question, px minus 1 is divisible by here is what, x plus 1 whole cube. Similar manner we can say p of minus x minus 1 is divisible by x minus 1 whole cube, same as this previous example we can say. Therefore, suppose this is number 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say, if we just add these two, we can say px plus p of minus x. So in this case, plus 1 minus 1 is getting cancelled. P of minus x is divisible by both x minus 1 whole cube and x plus 1 whole cube, we can see here. So we can say that px into p of minus x is divisible by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1 whole cube. So this is the 6 degree equation, then it is coming. Okay, so this is actually 5 degree equation. Therefore we can say px plus p of minus x equal to 0. So this is the odd function, and as we know that the odd function, this is given by odd function, the derivative of odd function minus a to a, the integration is of odd function minus a to a is coming to be 0. Therefore we can say here integration minus 10 to 10 px dx equal to 0. This is a property of the definite integral. The property is minus a to a if fx is the odd function, fx dx equal to 0. This is the one way of explanation. So everybody, there is some another easiest way, shortest possible method to explain this, is that here we can say, once again I am writing this, that px plus 1 alternative way, px plus 1 is divisible by x minus 1 whole cube. So we can say p1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so p1 equal to minus 1. In the similar manner we can say, similarly we can say p of minus 1, okay, minus 1 equal to 0. So p of minus 1 equal to 1. So everyone, this is the polynomial, so continuous function. So p1 equal to minus 1. So here we can say here that p1 equal to this is suppose 1, p1 is minus 1 and p minus 1 is 1. and the function is the odd function. So px is the odd function directly, we can say. Okay, in the shortest way, odd function. Therefore, minus a to a px dx equal to 0. Okay, ready?